Okay, guys, so as you saw from the title, we're gonna play the whole This Button Does Nothing video game. I created this game. And there's a link to the wiki in the description, and the homepage to the wiki has the links to the games, to both games, sections 1 and 2. Yeah, we made a section 2 of the game, so this is section 1. As you can see, there's a new thumbnail for section 1. So let's go play. And yeah, I don't really know how to play because, wait, I do know how to play. But I don't really need to press this button since I am the creator of this game. Yeah. So I already know how to play. So yeah, there's also some secret keys. Like, when I press this key, I'm not going to tell you what key I pressed, but doingly, 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 doing. Yeah. That's basically inspired by one of Guava Juice's videos. And if you don't know who Guava Juice is, he's basically just a YouTuber. Yeah. So, type the alphabet in the correct order. Yeah, and this is a hard challenge since, well, the keys on your keyboard aren't in alphabetical order. T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Well done. You made it to level 4. You see that? You see this level bar? You see that thing with the green and red? That's called the level bar. But wait. What if you're colorblind? Oh, well, if you're colorblind, then you might see this level bar as not red and green. Maybe you can't see red or green. Maybe you can't see red, but can see green. Maybe you can not see green, but see red. You could just, maybe you're somebody who sees in black and white. Oh, my cat's meowing. Okay, now I've got my cat in here. So, what key should I press now? Wait, what's happening? Huh? You duplicated me. Actually, I was here all along. Spooky. So yeah, guys, I just want to tell you something. We now have voices for Button. And yeah, for a pretty long time, they didn't have voices. Instead, there was just text, which was a little weird because you needed to read the text. So, and what if people read the text too fast? So yeah, that's the reason why I added voices to the game. This is my time machine. Let's go inside. So yeah, past or future. So you can just do F for future, or just a bunch of Fs, or anything that doesn't say the word past. Yeah. I'm just gonna go to the past. And if you miss spell pass, you're still gonna go to the future.
Oh no, we went too far back. We're in a time where dinosaurs existed. Press the A key to go back into the time machine.
So yeah, A is the key for the time machine. Just in case you want to time travel.
This is my time machine. Let's go inside. Past or future.
Look at him. He just go.
Wow, so this is the future.
So yeah. For a second there, I thought Squid wanted to come out because he was sitting in front of the door, and when he does that, I think he wants to come out of my room. So yeah. Like there's secret levels that involve certain keys. Now, we're just gonna press the...
What's 2 plus 5?
Yeah, pretty simple question. It's the number key you pressed.
Yep, the lucky number.
Dude, wait. What if you just used a calculator for that one? But it's a pretty simple question. Why would you need a calculator to do that? Like, you could just count up, like with your fingers. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 fingers. Like, dude. Why did I add such a simple question?
Secret levels unlocked.
Wait, I pressed the 2 key. Oh, probably because it was the other 2 key, and it was... Oh, But I won't tell you the keys to go to the secret levels because that's cheating.
Well done. You made it to level 2.
Yeah, your level can also go down. But that's okay. I want to show you something really funny.
What have you done to me? Now I'm pixelated.
He's pixelated. He is pixelated. Now, wait. What if you're deaf and you're reading the pixelated text? And deaf means you can't hear.
Oh, now I'm not pixelated anymore.
Smiley face. Yeah, so there's a password to this weird thing. But you can't
made it to level 6. Click on the Rubik's Cube to change the combination.
Yeah, you can't really just enter the password. We didn't add a feature for that yet. But yeah. Yeah, I think I needed to reset the game like that. So
you made it to level 3. Now you can get a pet by pressing the C key.
Yeah, you can just guess what key to go to level 3 and then just press the C key if you want to get a pet.
What pet do you want to get?
Yeah, there's the options. So yeah, just read the options: cat, dog, squirrel, dragon, and fox. Yeah, and I like cats.
Now you have a pet.
Cats are so cute. And I got my cats when I was like 1 year old. So yeah.
Find the hidden button.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure you can't find it. But, well, I'll give you a hint. It's at the left side of the screen. And if you think that left is this way, then it's the right one. It's the right way of the screen. But this is left and this is right. Reason. Finger L's. But I see that button. You need to spell yes correctly with no caps. Like, don't misspell it.
This is me from the past.
Yeah, that is him from the past. We might even add a feature where pets can give you hints. Yeah, it's a really cool thing. It would be a really cool thing. So yeah, I would like to add that feature.
How many Number Blocks episodes are there?
Well, you can include the Number Songs episodes, but you don't have to. But you can just say you can say 110 or 120. But yeah, you can just look on BBC iPlayer. But what if some episodes aren't available?
Correct. That's how many Number Blocks episodes there are. Oh, a Rubik's Cube. Let's solve it. Click on the Rubik's Cube to change the combination.
Also, by the way, tomorrow is when the new Number Blocks episodes come out. So, if you're watching this tomorrow on June 14th, then there are not 110 or 120 episodes of Number Blocks.
You solved it.
Yeah, you just need to click the Rubik's Cube twice to solve it. It's pretty simple to solve that Rubik's Cube.
How many cats are there? That is correct. I have 6 cats.
What is Squid doing? I know you guys can't see Squid, but yeah, I have some videos of Stampy and Squid, both of my cats, but they're from long ago, but I could still make more videos of my cats.
I will turn into a convertible. Let's go.
Yeah, that is basically Button turning into a convertible.
V is for vroom.
I bet you guys can guess what key I pressed.
Wait a minute, I'm a 10-year-old Button, and in this universe, you need to be at least 14 to drive.
Yeah, he just hops out of the car. Yeah.
If 200 people painted 23 paintings, how many paintings would they paint?
Yeah, basically just 200 times 23, but yeah, it's a big number.
That is correct. 4,600 paintings in all. I will turn into a convertible.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. This game is just about pressing keys. But there are certain keys. There are certain keys to go to certain levels. And most of the keys are not to get to new levels. Squid, what are you doing? Huh, he was sticking his front legs out the door. And there was nothing there. Was it just a hallucination or something? Yeah, I'm just gonna press another key. So,
congratulations! You made it to level 5. Find the key to go to level 6.
yeah, I'm just gonna press the S key again.
Wait, what's happening?
This key is very funny.
Huh? You duplicated me. Actually, I was here all along. Spooky.
Yeah. He was here all along. Yeah, they basically look the exact same.
Happy birthday to the creators of this game.
Added June 6th, 2021. Yeah.
You made it to level 6. You win.
Now, it is time. Section 2. So yeah, this button does nothing. Section 2. We added accounts in this section. As you can see the thumbnail, 2 is spelled TWO and then the number 2. So yeah, this time Squid actually wanted to go out, so that's why I paused the recording. So yeah, we're just gonna start playing. Yes, I did beat section 1. And my username is and I want to mention, if you are on my account, there's this really cool Easter egg, but I'm not telling you my password. So I'm just gonna pause the recording when I enter my password, so yeah. So yeah, my username is TrainScoreKitty. And yeah. So I'll just pause the recording so you guys don't know my password. So yeah, there's this really cool Easter egg. But when you're not on my account, so yeah, we'll just put a random username and a random password.
Where am I?
You're in the hospital?
British.
Yeah, so, yeah. But anyways, I'm just gonna go back to my account and show you that Easter egg. There's even gonna be audio for that Easter egg, so yeah.
Visit the wiki.
Oh, so, yeah, I can just... So yeah, this is the wiki. Link to the wiki in the description. And it's got the links. There's links to both games in the wiki. As you can see, Section 3 is confirmed to come out in 2022. There's a bug. So yeah, this is the wiki. But I'll just play the game. And yeah. Let's press the 5 key. Troll face. Yeah. That's troll face. And I just want to tell you something. If you know how to edit and you get rickrolled in this game, just take that clip out because the music is copyrighted. So, yeah. And, yeah, there's a key to get rickrolled in this game. And there's a secret random number generator.
Do you want to generate a random number?
So, this random number includes numbers between 1 and 20. I mean, not 1 and 20, 1 and 10.
Your random number is 7.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool feature.
Do you want to generate a random number? Your random number is 8. Do you want to generate a random number? Your random number is 2.
Yeah, you always get a random number between 1 and 10. And, yeah, 9.
G'day, old chum.
9.
I'm not a nut. I'm not a knife. I'm a 9, and you've been 9'd.
Yeah, 9. Look at him. Wait. Button doesn't have a gender. If you look on the wiki and go to the button page, you will see that the gender is a gender, which means no gender. Yeah.
Why am I glued together?
Because we discovered that if you weren't glued together, you'd fall apart.
Why am I upside down? Now I'm right side up.
Yeah.
Look at the level bar. There's a cool animation.
And if you didn't see that animation, I'll press the B key again. Or whatever key I pressed.
Look at the level bar. There's a cool animation.
Yeah, you can just replay that part if you didn't see it again, but level 10 is the last level. So, bye guys, see you later.